Hello and welcome to Penton UK. This is a video tutorial for creating and managing the scheduler option on your TERRACOM device. To start, please make sure you've selected the Setup To menu and then the Scheduler tab. To enable or disable any saved scheduler functions on your TERRACOM device, simply select either Enable or Disable and then click Save to Internal. Initially, choose a name for the schedule you want to create. In this case, we are using break bells to replicate a class shift change scenario. Then choose your date start time and begin to add the times at which you'd like the break bells to sound. To add multiple entries, simply choose the time and click Add as shown on screen. These will then be listed within the time box. To remove a time, simply select it and click Remove. Once the timings have been chosen, we now need to decide which functions occur at these times. We could do a variety of things here, such as set a command string or a logic output on another device. We could route messaging, such as a saved playlist by selecting a target, or play music. Selecting play music does not route music or a message to any other specific device, just purely the local device we are programming. For this option, then select the save playlist you want triggered by this schedule. In terms of repetitions, you can choose daily, which will schedule your set command every day at your selected times. Weekly enables you to choose which specific days you'd like the scheduler active, such as midweek on and weekends off. Monthly will mean our schedule will trigger on the 13th of every month, or yearly for that one day per year. End time is the date you want your schedule to finish, which can be used for setting a specific period, such as seasonal advertisements. Once you've clicked Save to Internal, you will see your saved schedule appear on the left hand of the screen under Internal Scheduler List. If you have a USB drive plugged in, you'll also have the choice to save to that. To edit or delete this saved schedule, simply click on the file name and select the relevant command. Please make sure you subscribe to our Penton UK channel for updates on further TERRACOM training videos. Thank you for watching.